The product of age-old construction methods and 21st century building science, NewBrick is the latest innovation in masonry. A lightweight insulated masonry veneer, NewBrick matches the size, appearance, and texture of clay, but is more durable and energy efficient. It offers a lower total installed whole wall cost and faster shell dry-in. It's easy to see why NewBrick is a superior cladding solution to traditional clay and thin brick. NewBrick consists of an insulation layer, a base layer of reinforcing mesh, and a cementatious acrylic polymer with an acrylic polymer finish that makes it indistinguishable from clay brick. But pick up a piece of NewBrick and the difference is clear. At less than 1/12 the weight of clay brick, NewBrick can be transported and installed more quickly and at a substantially reduced cost. In fact, 30,000 square feet of traditional brick requires more than 20 truckloads, while less than 2 truckloads are needed for the same amount of NewBrick. The lighter weight of NewBrick also means a less strenuous installation, better worker productivity, and less chance of injury. The product's patented horizontal alignment guide also makes the application process faster and easier, whether it's installed by a mason, plasterer, carpenter, or laborer. Simply apply NewBrick with an adhesive, utilize the horizontal alignment guide, and apply mortar with conventional methods. No fasteners, structural supports, brick ties, mortar nets, or penetrations through the air and water-resistive barrier are needed. All of these labor, material, and freight savings, job speed, and equipment benefits provide a whole wall savings on average $15 to $17 per square foot on a typical 2-story building. When NewBrick is combined with Dryvit's compatible outsulation system, your air, water, vapor, and thermal barriers are all combined under a single warranty. Together, these add significant insulating power, increasing a structure's energy efficiency compared to traditional brick and insulation. For building owners, the result is a reduction in energy consumption and long-term cost savings. With a NewBrick facade, you reduce the number of individual components needed to build an insulated energy code compliant masonry wall, eliminating typical compatibility questions, sequencing of multiple trades, and detailing challenges while speeding the shell dry-in process to enable interior work to start sooner. NewBrick's timeless look comes without the cracking, spalling, or crumbling common with traditional brick. With the same continuous insulation technology that Dryvit pioneered over 50 years ago, it has greater durability than clay brick. NewBrick stands up to everyday impacts, passing a Gardner impact test at 48 inches per pound with barely a mark, while traditional bricks simply broke in half. The result is a more cost-effective and higher-performing structure that stands the test of time. NewBrick has an array of shapes, sizes, and finishes, perfect for both new construction and restoration projects. It can match any look, from traditional to contemporary, with 16 standard colors and custom colors and blends available to meet your project's design specifications. Combine a seamless integration with Dryvit's outsulation systems, and you have a fully customizable wall system at your fingertips. So whether you're constructing a new building or renovating an existing structure, see for yourself how NewBrick can give you the long-term performance and gorgeous aesthetics you require with added ease and cost savings. Out with the old and in with NewBrick.